everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you in the market for a new car but don't want to break the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the benefits of buying a used car. From lower purchase prices to less stress, we'll cover it all. Let's get started. Section 1. Advantages of used car. First, let's talk about the advantages of used cars. Lower purchase price. Used cars are typically less expensive than new cars, which means you can save money on the purchase price. Depreciation. New cars depreciate quickly, but used cars have already taken the biggest depreciation hit, so you don't have to worry about it. Lower insurance costs. Used cars are often cheaper to insure than new cars. Wider selection. There's a wider selection of used cars available, so you can find the perfect car for your needs. Less stress. Buying a used car can be less stressful than buying a new car, since you don't have to worry about it being perfect. Section 2. How to buy a used car. Now, let's talk about how to buy a used car. Research. Do your research and find a reputable dealership or seller. Check the history. Use services like Carfax or AutoCheck to get a detailed report on the car's history. Test drive. Always test drive a used car before buying it. Get a mechanic's inspection. Consider hiring a mechanic to inspect the car and give you a report. Negotiate the price. Don't be afraid to negotiate the price based on any issues you found. Section 3. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Consider certified pre-owned vehicles. These vehicles have been inspected and certified by the manufacturer or dealership. Don't fall for extras. Salespeople may try to sell you additional features or services, but make sure you carefully consider whether you really need them. Warranty and maintenance. Check if the car still has a warranty, and factor in the cost of maintenance and repairs. Trade in or sell your old car. If you have an old car, consider trading it in or selling it to offset the cost of the used car. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when buying a used car. Not researching the market value. Not checking the car's history. Not test driving the car. Not getting a mechanic's inspection. Not negotiating the price. Section 5. Additional costs to consider. Here are some additional costs to consider when buying a used car. Registration and title fees. Insurance costs. Fuel and maintenance costs. Repairs and replacement parts. Section 6. Used car buying myths. In this section, you could debunk common myths about buying used cars, such as myth, used cars are always unreliable. Myth, you can't get a good deal on a used car. Myth, used cars are always outdated. Section 7. Used car maintenance tips. In this section, you could provide tips on how to maintain a used car, such as regular oil changes, tire rotation, brake pad replacement, fluid checks. Section 8. Used car safety features. In this section, you could discuss the importance of safety features in used cars, such as airbags, anti-lock braking systems, ABS, electronic stability control, ESC, lane departure warning systems. Section 9. Used car warranty options. In this section, you could explain the different types of warranties available for used cars, such as manufacturer's warranty, extended warranty, certified pre-owned warranty. Section 10. Conclusion and final thoughts. In this final section, you could summarize the main points of the video and provide some final thoughts on buying a used car. Section 11. Conclusion and final tips. In conclusion, buying a used car can be a smart financial move, as long as you do your research and take the right precautions. Remember, used cars offer lower purchase prices, lower insurance costs, and less stress, among other benefits. Thanks for watching this video on the benefits of used cars. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family who may be interested in buying a used car. And if you want to learn more about personal finance and smart money moves, be sure to check out my other videos and playlists. See you in the next video!